Today I'm going to unboxing. Today I'm going to unboxing ant-esports Game Pro. It is a controller. Let us see that. This is the controller. You can see that box. It's in good yellow color. It's nice also by holding in hand. In few minutes I'm going to open it. Let us see what are the things inside in this box. And you can see I'm opening it, cutting out in the front seal. Then we can see what are the things inside. One minute. I can open it, cut it out, because it came by courier, so it has so many protective covers, so it make me more time to open it. I'm opening it. What a nice cover, what a nice controller. This was a good controller made by ant-esports compared to Logitech and Red Gear. This is a warranty card. And this is a manual and USB cable. The manual has so many instructions how to handle this controller. So we will see it. What are the buttons, what are the things, how to handle controller. It has USB cable for charging. So I am opening the box further. This is the controller. So it has a OTGB to connect to the mobile for playing PUBG maybe. That OTG is USB. If you need to type C, you have to buy separate type C for OTG. It has a receiver, 2.4 GHz wireless receiver. You have to connect to the mobile. You have to connect to the mobile and you have to connect to the PC. You can see the controller backside. The grip is very nice. That plastic is also not that much sturdy, but it's nice to handle. It can withstand force, but you can't hold that too much force to break the controller. The switches are also very nice. It's made in very nice plastic. So these are the things, some buttons and two analog sticks and one D-pad and other start stop button, etc. So it has two left right front buttons. You can use it to connect with PlayStation also, similar to this is a PS3 joystick, but very low price compared to standard PS3 joystick. So this is a good controller, alternative of PS3. This is my controller. I'm going to just play this Tomb Raider. One thing is only this game, if you select all the things in mouse, after that inside it will work, controller will start. So I'm selecting play. Now you see controller will open. You have to just connect the receiver and press home button. So the controller is connected to the wireless receiver, and then your game will start working. So I am using this controller. So I'm just using this analog stick. You can see my controller now clearly. This is my controller face. You can see my controller backside also. See. So I think this video will be helpful. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.